Right now we're helping with the storm restoration in the island of Hawaii. There's a lot of poles down, a lot of wire down, a lot of people out of power. So we're going down to the south of the island, working on about 7 poles.
Today we were shifting up probably 2 miles up the road. There's probably another, 12 spans, something like that? 12 spans of wire we got to get up. Reconductor probably 4 or 5.
A big eucalyptus tree came down the power lines, broke some crossarms, brought some wire down. We're just working on that one right there. It's a main line, so a lot of customers are out. So the main objective is to get that energized and then work on the tap lines after. Working in a storm is a lot different than our day-to-day basis back at home.
When you're coming out to another state, things different, you have to really be more careful. I love doing mutual assistance. As being a lineman, getting people's power back up is, our priority. Seeing them happy once the power comes back on, you get that sense of pride of the job that we do.